The world is becoming more and more digitally focused every day. So it is really important to create a digital space for your small business. With the technology today, it is really easy to create this digital space through websites. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best website builders for your small business. So let's dive in. Oh, by the way, are you looking for places to sell your business products? Then check this video. In that video, I'm telling you the best places to sell your business products. Moving on to the website builders list. First one is Wix. Wix is one of top choice for small businesses for a number of reasons, not least of which it is how easy to use. It gives you over 800 website templates and its drag and drop format is perfect for beginners. However, the huge level of creative control it gives you means that your website can grow with you, expanding as your business becomes larger and you become more experienced. When it comes to the features of Wix, it is easy to use and you can have limitless customizations, and Wix covers many industries. Advantages of using Wix is 500 plus templates across several industries, highest rated platform by users, great SEO support to help you rank well. When it comes to the advantages, prices are not the cheapest and need to factor in cost of apps, and load speed are not the best. In Wix, you can get a free plan and paid plans vary from $16 per month to $59 per month. Then the second website builder is Squarespace. Squarespace is a great website builder for those who want to style as well as substance. If you want to add an e-commerce store to your website, Squarespace actually came out as the easiest website builder. Not only that, but it comes with excellent promotional tools such as discounts, and you can sell an unlimited number of products on any of its e-commerce plans. When it comes to the features of Squarespace, you can get clean and beautiful designs and you will get great scheduling tools. Moving on to the advantages of using Squarespace, there are award-winning template selections, ideal for taking online bookings, and great blogging and social media tools. When it comes to the disadvantages of using Squarespace, it takes time to learn all the things and all the technical things in the Squarespace, and no font support. In Squarespace, you will get a free plan and the paid plans varies from $16 to $49 per month. Then the next website builder is GoDaddy. If you are in a hurry to create your website, GoDaddy's ADI function is sure to make you smile. Rather than having to choose a template and edit it until you are happy with the design, GoDaddy uses a quick questionnaire to determine what you want from your website, and then it builds it for you. This makes it super easy to use and fast to boot. GoDaddy editor is straightforward, so it is simple to add new elements or change your color schemes. Overall, it makes a very pleasant building experience, which is why GoDaddy is very famous among small business owners. When it comes to the features of GoDaddy website builder, it is the fastest website builder among all the other competitors, and it has a ADI tool. Moving on to the advantages of GoDaddy, it is the fastest way to build a website and ideal for anyone who is not tech confident, and it has a strong digital marketing tools. When it comes to the disadvantages, it has a very little creative control, and this is not the best for large businesses. GoDaddy has a free plan and the paid plans vary from $7 per month to $30 per month. Then the next website builder is Weebly. Weebly doesn't feature a ton of bells and whistles, but it does shine when it comes to a value of money. Seeing as most of the small businesses need to keep an eye on their budgets, Weebly's free plan and extremely affordable premium plans is a great advantage for small businesses. However, Weebly is still pretty easy to use. Its editor might not be very initiative, but because of customization is limited, it is hard to get too focused. Plus, it performs well when it comes to SEO. When it comes to the features of Weebly, it has a large app store and it has affordable prices. When it comes to the advantages of using Weebly, it has an ADI option and it is easy to add custom code if you wish, and huge app market and site competition. When it comes to the disadvantages, although it is easy to use, it is not easy to customize, and no free domain with annual plan and $12 plan needed to remove ads. Weebly has a free plan and their paid plan varies from $6 per month to $29 per month. Then the next website builder is WordPress. WordPress is best for business blogs. WordPress is not the easiest builder to use. Having some coding knowledge is helpful, and the editor itself isn't as straightforward as it could be, using unfamiliar terminology of lots of its elements. Its templates aren't the most impressive either. But however, it offers great value for money thanks to its low prices. As affordability is something small businesses value, this is a big point on its favor. However, you will need to spend a good deal of time familiarizing yourself with its confusing customization tools. When it comes to the features, this is best for bloggers and it has a very cheap prices. When it comes to the advantages of using WordPress, it has a powerful built-in blogging tools and cheap plans offer for great value and highly customizable. When it comes to the disadvantages of WordPress, it has a very limited templates and it is hard to learn. Sometimes you have to learn of this technical know-how to use this website builder, and users found the help center is little bit tricky. WordPress has a free plan available and the paid plans varies from $4 per month to $45 per month. Then the next website builder is Site123. Site123 is a straightforward builder that makes it easier to create basic and attractive sites. Site123 is popular because of its simplicity. It's ideal for someone with a little tech experience thanks to its shallow learning curve. Site123 will appeal to those who want to use their website to promote their small business rather than running it entirely online. This is because Site123 lacks the feature set needed to complex website. It is not a very powerful builder, so those who are looking for scale their business will quickly outgrow this platform because of its limitations. When it comes to the features of Site123, it is quick and easy but not very flexible. When it comes to the advantages of using Site123, it has a very shallow learning curve, which means it is easy to learn and it is easy to use, and it is the fastest way to put your website out there in the online. When it comes to disadvantages, it is not very flexible and it will give you a limited customization options. Site123 give you a free plan and their paid plan starts with $13 per month to $98 per month. Whichever builder you choose, you will be able to create a functional website that establishes your small business online without any technical know-how. However, the best website builders for small businesses will help your business not only appear online but also shine. From all the above website builders that I mentioned in this video, I am using WordPress because that is the most budget-friendly option for me. But if you have a high budget limit, then Wix may be the best option for you. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.